In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find MoneyGram reference number. This short code is essential for a smooth cash pickup, so I'll walk you through exactly where to find it and how to share it safely. First, open the MoneyGram app on your phone or head to the MoneyGram website in your browser. Make sure you're signed in to the correct sender account since the reference number is only visible to the person who sent the money. A stable internet connection helps the page load quickly, especially if you have several past transfers. Once you're on the home screen, look for the main menu. In the app, that's typically the three dots in the top right corner. Tap those to open more options. If you're using the website, you may see a menu or account drop down in the upper area of the page. Your goal is to access the options related to your account activity. From that menu, choose Transaction History. This section keeps a record of your recent and past transfers so you can quickly get back to the exact one you need. If you don't see the transfer right away, scroll through the list or adjust any filters like date ranges to make it easier to find. Next, select the transaction you want to view. Tap or click into it to open the full details. This is where you'll see important information about the transfer, including the status, the amount, and most importantly, the reference number. Inside the transaction details, look for the section labeled reference number. It's usually easy to spot, often shown in bold, and it's typically an 8-digit number. Make sure you're reading the correct code and not mixing it up with the amount sent or any fees. If your device allows it, you can copy the number directly from the screen to avoid typos. Now, share that reference number with the recipient. They'll need it to pick up the money, so send it to them securely through a trusted message or a direct call. Avoid posting it publicly or sharing it in group chats to protect your transfer. A quick but important note, only the sender can see the reference number. If you're the receiver watching this, you'll need to ask the sender to provide it to you. Support teams generally can't share this on your behalf for security reasons. And that's it. You can now easily find and share your MoneyGram reference number to ensure a smooth money pickup process. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more MoneyGram tips and tutorials.